Man, what is up? I'm at Camping World of Thornburg of Virginia. I'm looking for my new headquarters for Virginia. So I'm just not gonna be in Maryland, but also in Virginia. Man, let's take a look. Man, some of these trailers are dope, man. I got one picked out already. It's getting dropped off tomorrow. I'm gonna reveal it then to you guys. I don't wanna give it away. But I'm telling you, man, it's beautiful. I can't wait to deck it out. Looks like it'll hold plenty of fish and stuff. Definitely perfect for what I need to get the job done for my headquarters of Virginia. I want to thank you all for helping support me and doing this with me. So y'all, tomorrow's getting delivered. I'll have you guys check it out. Stay tuned.
I got it! Look at him!
Oh my God!
Look what I did!
You know what that is?
Smallmouth bass.
No.
I don't know.
That's a white perch.
I'm magical.
Look at the size of him.
Aw, he's so cute.
Look at the size of him. That's the biggest white perch I've ever seen. That's your PB. Look at that. All right, we're gonna cut out. Maybe I'll show you the release. My niece's killer white perch. We're fishing good tonight. Get in close here, girl. Way to go, man. Heck of a white perch. She's alive. There he goes. Woo! Good job. High five. Oh, actually.
Yeah. Ah! What do you do?
No! Another white perch.
Dang it!
You landed it. So my niece just got a white perch on the top water with a whopper plopper. Someone comment if you ever seen a white perch below up. Just got back from fishing. Getting ready to take a shower. I got a problem. I have no body soap at all. I'm gonna have to use good old Ajax. I don't know what it's gonna do to me, but you know what I'm saying? We gotta do what we gotta do. But anyway, the trailer's coming sometime tomorrow. I'm hoping to get another little fishing video going in for you guys in the morning. And then the Bass All Fishing TV HQ will be officially in Virginia, 2nd edition. Can't wait, guys. I'm gonna show this all for you guys. Get some more fishing time in for you guys. That's good. I'm heading to bed after this Ajax bath. So, as promised, the Virginia HQ headquarters for Bass All Fishing TV is here. I love the place, guys. There's plenty of room in here. We got a slide out over here. A little bit of entertainment center. Bedroom's back there. I love the kitchen area. It's slick. Got the bunk beds. Like I told my son, if you do everything good in life and you listen to mommy and daddy buy what you want. So we had to buy a trailer that had bunk bed in him. He's a big Sonic the Hedgehog fan, so that's what he gets. Brand new set. We can get him whatever he wants. A refrigerator. It's 4th of July weekend too, so happy 4th of July, but I'm gonna show you all a little something in here. Got some drinks for the for me. Drinks for the missus. But the most important thing, we don't throw no stale soft plastics here. Bass All Fishing Team, my Googan baits, my soft plastics, they got their own shelf. I like keeping them fresh. I'm real about this. But guys, it has been a good video. I had enjoyed making this video. Subscribe, guys, and make sure you hit the bell. I'm gonna be giving a lot of stuff away. I'm hoping to pop another video off probably tomorrow for you guys I've been working on. So guys, thank you all for hanging with me. And you know, everybody that's been watching me, support me, thank you. You know, this wouldn't be possible without you guys. You know, love y'all. Have a good time.